Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jordan. If you're new here, today's video is going to be a get ready with me. So some new products that just launched and some items that have been out. So if you guys are interested in how I got this look, then keep on watching. I'm going to be starting off with the Artist Couture Prep and Glow as my primer. So I don't even know if this is smart, but the product that I'm using for my complexion item today is going to be the MAC Studio Tech. So it is a cream to powder foundation. Now I do have some other like cream products that need to go on top of this. So I'm not sure if I'm supposed to put my concealer on first and then put this on, but it's supposed to be full coverage. So I feel like it'll cover up everything else that I do first, right? So we'll put this on first. Answer my own question. So this is what the component looks like. I've had this for a while, but I finally want to try it. And it comes with like a little seal, so definitely cream to powder. So that's what the color looks like in the components. The color that I picked up was NC55. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Sephora number 47 as my foundation brush. That joint was creamy. Okay. I don't know, you guys. Do I need a buffing brush? I feel like it's setting down already. And that color is pretty good for me. First of all, this looks beautiful. I think the finish looks so good on my skin right now. I should probably hurry up and go ahead and put the creams on before it dries down even more. But it's just described as a cream to powder. You can apply it with the sponge that it comes with or a brush. Blend in and build in to desired coverage level. So it's buildable. And then you get a natural matte finish. I'm actually not mad at that at all. So let's go ahead and just put on some concealer. I'm going to continue on with the Lancome Teint Idole concealer. I actually really like it, but it's not full coverage in my opinion. Like I mentioned in my last video, or my last try on. So you do have to build it up a little bit more. So as you can see, I'm gonna actually go a little heavy-handed with this today. Especially right here in the hollows, because that's where I need some more coverage. This is the Sonia G Lotus base brush. I like it a lot. And I'm just going to have my under eyes set down a little bit more, because if you watch my last try on haul, I need additional coverage from this concealer. So just having it sit a little bit does that for me. But I like how lightweight it is. So even though it's not giving me full coverage straight on, I like how lightweight it feels on the complexion. So keep that in mind. And it does wear pretty well. Like, it's a long wearing product in my opinion. But if you're looking for full coverage, you're probably not going to like it, because it doesn't give that straight on. So next we're going to be going in with the Kaja Play a Bento Sculpting Trio. I have it in the shade number 3, Marshmallow. So you get a blush, highlight, and cream contour situation. So we're going to go in with the contour first. And that is what the shade looks like. So definitely more cool tone for contour. So we'll see how that applies on the complexion. Okay, it's pretty sheer. And then you can build it up. It doesn't start off with a lot of pigment though, which is good for people who need a little bit more blendability. Not something that's hard to blend out. That's pretty. I like it. Yeah, that's definitely giving me some contour. I like it. I'm gonna go over it with a powder bronzer though. This is a really pretty finish. It has a slight sheen to it, more of a satin finish, but again, it's sheer buildable coverage and you're getting nice definition. I think this color is good. The only thing I can say though, they have 3 shades available in this trio, and I feel like there's a lot of gaps missing with the shade range. I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my under eyes. Look at that skin. It looks so good. This MAC Studio Tech though, I can see why people like it a lot. My skin, okay, looks amazing. One thing your girl loves is complexion, okay? There we go. I think that looks beautiful. Like honestly, it looks so stunning. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. I'm gonna be using the usual Dior cushion powder in the shade Deep. Alright guys, so that's what we're looking like so far with my face set. Really nice. I'm going to go in with powder bronzer. This is the Colored Rain Naughty Spice bronzer. Love this thing. And I'm using a Wayne Goss #1. Yeah, just a little additional warmth. So we're going back to that trio, and I'm going to use the blush that comes in the trio. The blush looks like this. It's like a corally color, like, isn't it? Like you can see a bit of orange and a bit of pink. I'm going to use a Rephr #5 to apply that. Pretty. I like that color. I'm popping a little extra on the apples and then pulling it back. And then we're going in with the highlighter. The highlighter looks like that. Oh, it looks like a really pretty golden shade. I'm going to use the Sonia G Lotus cheek brush. I'm just going to pick up a little bit because this brush does pick up product, okay? There we go. Ooh. Yes, and I'm definitely sharing this out. You can get some intense pigmentation from this because I have swatched it and it was intense. So I'm being careful and definitely sharing it out so I get more of an overall glow to my complexion. so pretty. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, guys, this is what my complexion looks like right now. It's given. It's really given. So next, I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my brows. And then I'm going to come back and show you the brow gel that I'll be using. This is supposed to be another brow gel that holds those hairs up. So we will see if it works the way that my Patrick Ta has been working for me. Alright guys, so I'm back and this is what my brows are looking like. I'm just using the Gucci brow pencil. So the brow gel that I was talking about is this one here. It's from the brand Refy or Refy. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, but it's called the Brow Sculpt. Do you guys get these ads on Instagram? Like, consistently, I get these ads. It's like Instagram knows I like wispy brows. They're like, girl, you need this brow gel. So as soon as this brand dropped at Sephora, I was like, okay, let me go ahead and get it. So the packaging looks like this. Really nice. Ooh. And then this is what the applicator looks like. So this gel is not clear. It has a white coating to it. So hopefully it doesn't have a white residue with it being white. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply. Comb my brows up. Alright, so it's not going on white. It's dry and clear. Oh, okay. I like that. I like the effect it gave my brows. Alright, so these are what my brows are looking like right now. They look fine. I mean, one is always thicker than the other. I'm not even worried about that right now, but the wispiness looks really good. So for my eyeshadow, we're gonna be going in with the Tom Ford Quad. This is the metallic denim quad number 32, or Eternal Blue in some countries. So just your typical Tom Ford packaging. And this is what it looks like. You guys, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Let's play. Going in with the Rephr number 27 with, ooh, why not? Let's just put this blue everywhere. Pop it in the inner eye. Gonna do a little halo situation. Gonna blend it up into the crease just so we have a little bit more of that color peeking through. Yep, there we go. And just blend the edge right here. Beautiful. Gonna go in with the Rephr number 12 and pick up that black sparkly shade right here and apply it on the outer eye just to give a little bit more depth right there. Yeah, so the black is going closer to that empty space that I left, and then I'm blending it into the blue, going back, not onto the empty space. It has little silver sparkles in it. Very pretty. Going in with the Rephr number 2, one of my favorite brushes. And I'm going to pick up this color here. So pretty. Place that in the center. Pretty. I'm just going to go in with the last shade here. It's like a taupey color, really pretty. And just pop it here in the tear duct. This is the Sonia G Soft Definer Brush. Yes. Alright, so I'm just going to finish up my eyes and I'll come back and I will show you what everything is looking like. Alright guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I like how everything turned out. For the most part, I liked all of the products. I think the eyeshadow palette blended very well. If you guys like Tom Ford eyeshadows, I'm sure that you will enjoy the color story of this one. It looks beautiful. Foundation looks good as well. I'm definitely going to do a wear test for that, so I'll come back and I'll let you guys know how everything looks at the end of the day. But I feel like everything has been working really well for me lately. I'm not mad at any of these products. Alright guys, I've had my makeup on for an hour and a half. That's what it's looking like. Foundation looks amazing. Brows are still up, so definitely impressed with that. Eyeshadow is shining. Yes, looks pretty. Alright guys, so it's the end of the night. So I've had my makeup on for 11 hours. Mask and everything. So this is what the foundation is looking like. It definitely transferred off onto the mask, but looking at the top portion of my face, pretty smooth. Looks really nice. You know, what can you do with these masks nowadays? I do think it looks really nice and it's not overly shiny, so still a nice glow on the skin. Brows are still up, so that's impressive. Eyeshadow is still shining. Not bad. If you're interested in anything, everything will be linked down in the description box down below. If you're new here, I'm Jordan. I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up because it helps me out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.